doves in the wind. We'll see like doves in the wind.
Adrian, swish. I really wanna lay back with you all night. Sweatpants in a full glass. Real talk, you are on mine. When I text, boy, you call back. I'm the one that you fuck, but fuck it, I'm the one that you love. Girls in the club that ain't good enough, get hot with me now. See smoke when we puff, yeah. I got you. Looking at me saying, baby, I want you. Lighting the flame, you tell me my name. You pass me the blunt and I do what you want to. Take a breath, hold it in. Set sheets on my skin, clothes off, turn your phone off. Got missed calls all night, damn, where the hell have you been? You were right here with me, so often I got you a key. Unlock the door, let me down on the floor, and tell me you like what you see. In love that we trust, the feeling is better with lust. The language we speak with our bodies, my baby, get on me, shut me up, I'm talking too much. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. I really wanna lay back with you all day. Couple shots at the crib. I kept refusing to tell you I love you, but baby, you know that I did. I said no labels, it's easier thinking that we could be friends. But don't let me catch you looking at no women, I just cannot take it, you know what it is. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. Said I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. And I promise you're seeing me through all the shit that I'm going and been through. Remember the first time you fucked me, the first time you held me, the first time you bought me a meal. Remember the first time you touched me right under the table, that feeling still gives me the chills. You're not perfect, but I swear that you are though. You're not perfect, but together we are. Baby, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Oh, I do. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Adrian, swish. I really wanna lay back with you all night. Sweatpants in a full glass. Real talk, you are on mine. When I text, boy, you call back. I'm the one that you fuck, but fuck it, I'm the one that you love. Girls in the club that ain't good enough, get hot with me now. See smoke when we puff, yeah. I got you. Looking at me saying, baby, I want you. Lighting the flame, you tell me my name. You pass me the blunt and I do what you want to. Take a breath, hold it in. Set sheets on my skin, clothes off, turn your phone off. Got missed calls all night, damn, where the hell have you been? You were right here with me, so often I got you a key. Unlock the door, let me down on the floor, and tell me you like what you see. In love that we trust, the feeling is better with lust. The language we speak with our bodies, my baby, get on me, shut me up, I'm talking too much. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. I really wanna lay back with you all day. Couple shots at the crib. I kept refusing to tell you I love you, but baby, you know that I did. I said no labels, it's easier thinking that we could let me catch you looking at no women. I just cannot take it, you know what it is. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. Said I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. And I promise you're seeing me through all this shit that I'm going and been through. Remember the first time you fucked me, the first time you held me, the first time you bought me a meal. Remember the first time you touched me right under the table. That feeling still gives me the chills. You're not perfect, but I swear that you are, though. You're not perfect, but together we are. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Oh, I do. I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, if you only knew, if you only knew.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this wig here. This is from UNice Hair. I believe that's how you pronounce the name. It's also in the title, and you also see me unpackage the wig and everything. So this part I'm just going to talk about the details of the hair and yeah, y'all see me style it, do cut the baby hairs and everything, and dye it. So all I did was just bleach it, and y'all seen the stuff that I used when I bleached it, because I was gonna dye it, but I decided just to leave it at this color. I may dye it later, but I like this kind of brownish color, blondish color. I like it, so I'm just keep it like this for a little minute. So it is 18 inches. Sorry, my shirt is wet. The hair is wet, as you can see. I do receive shedding. I'll put that out there. I do receive shedding, but not so much tangling, but shedding. Yeah, I receive shedding. And I'm not sure because I bleached the wig is because of shedding, because I don't remember if it was shedding before I bleached the wig, but it's shedding. But I don't get tangling, so I guess that's okay. So Amazon. So more about this company. It is on Amazon. This is the Amazon version of the company, because they do have one on AliExpress and they do have their own website. Then they also on Amazon. So this wig is from their Amazon store. It is really, really pretty though. I do love the curl pattern. Like, it's really pretty. And then y'all will see. I'm gonna insert some pictures of the wig. It's styled and everything. Right now it's just wet, so I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna put some pictures and everything like that. The only con about this wig is that I do receive a lot of shedding. That's the only thing. I do love the curl pattern. I love how it's just, you know, I didn't have to do much plucking, but I did do plucking. And yeah, I think that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, comment down below, and I will let you know. Yeah, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss. Don't be late, no, no, no.